Hello friends, my name is Rohan Jogal. I am working as a project director in Gajba Research and Training Institute since its inception from 2015. This institute is registered as a ATG and 12A under Income Tax Act and registered as a not-for-profit. So we completely work as a not-for-profit organization. We run different kind of programs through which we create livelihoods, and we give opportunity to people of deprived class, and they we train them, we give skill trainings under different sectors, and make them capable of doing jobs or to start their own startups. Right now, currently we are working with Department of Tribal, State of Maharashtra, through which we are providing different courses. First course we have undertaken this year is under banking and insurance, and in this course we provide skill knowledge for selling insurance products, and we are placing them in various insurance companies like LIC, State Bank of India, Kotak Mahindra, etc. They will be getting a stipend or a salary of minimum 7,000 rupees, and very soon they will be placed in different insurance companies.